So in today's video, I'm going to create a soft and glowy haldi makeup look. तो सबसे पहले I'm using this Flicka Cosmetic 2-in-1 moisturizer and primer. ये स्किन को बहुत ही अच्छे से स्मूथ और हाइड्रेट करता है और साथ ही साथ पोर्स को भी ब्लर करता है. So now I'm applying this orange corrector around my mouth and under my eyes and also on the area where I have pigmentation and dark spots. So now I'm going to use this shade which is exact my skin tone and I'm going to apply it on the areas where I've already applied orange corrector. Now using a damp beauty sponge to blend it all together. For foundation, I'm using this PAC HD foundation. So as it's a haldi makeup, I want to keep the makeup look more natural, dewy and glowy. So that's why I've used only 2 pumps. And if you mix the liquid highlighter with the foundation and then you will apply it, it will give you a glowy effect. Firstly, I like to blend the foundation with the foundation brush and then I spray the setting spray on my beauty blender and then I quickly blend the foundation. This trick will make your foundation last long and also it will give you a skin-like finish. And now for the blush, I'm using this pink blush. Pink blush look absolutely stunning in every skin tone and I really like how the pink blush add freshness to the face. So I'm applying blush on my cheeks, on my nose and a little bit on my chin. For concealer, I'm using this Swiss Beauty liquid concealer in a brightening shade and I'm going to apply it under my eyes, around my mouth and a little bit in between my forehead. If you want to increase concealer's coverage and make it long lasting, then don't blend the concealer immediately. Let it sit for 10 minutes and then start blending it. Next, I'm going in with contour to add natural definition to my face. So I'm applying it under my cheekbone and for blending it, I'm using the brush. For nose contouring, I'm using a flat brush to contour my nose and then I'm using my finger to blend it nicely, adding concealer on the tip of my nose and on the bridge of my nose and blending it with a brush. For setting the base, I'm using a loose powder. I'm only setting on my T-zone because I want to keep the rest of my face glowy and fresh. So there is no need to mattify the entire face. Next, I'm using Mars Cosmetic eyebrow palette. So I'm just lightly filling in the gaps and then I brush it so that it look more natural. Now let's do eye makeup. For that, I'm using this Mars Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. Firstly, I'm applying this light brown shade in my crease. Next, I'm applying this pink shade on the outer corner of my eyelid to add soft pop of color. And then I'm adding a golden shimmer shade on the center of my eyelid. Next, I'm using Swiss Beauty gel eyeliner. So I'm keeping the eyeliner very thin. Next, I'm adding a white kajal to make my eyes look more bigger. Next, I'm using Swiss Beauty mascara to add volume to my lashes. Next, I'm using this lip liner from Swiss Beauty in the shade light brown. For lipstick, I'm using a pink liquid lipstick. Pink lipstick always look beautiful with yellow outfits, especially in the morning. Lastly, I'm adding a powder blush and then adding a highlighter on the tip of my nose, on the bridge of my nose and some on my cheeks and little on the inner corner of my eyes. Adding bindi and here is my final look, fresh and glowy haldi makeup look.